Hi guys, welcome back to the episode of Cook With Me. So today we'll be making this delicious puff puff, and if it sounds like what you like to watch, then keep on watching. So you'll be needing a clean bowl. Make sure your bowl is clean and make sure you've washed your hand. So you are going to add 3 cups of flour. So today we'll be making use of just 3 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt. You know salt is very important when you're making your puff puff. So then you are going to use yeast. You just add 2 teaspoons of the yeast is enough. Half cup of sugar is also enough for these 3 cups of puff puff that we are making today. So we are just going to mix all the dry ingredients together. We are going to add 2 eggs. Then just mix it together. After mixing the flour together with the egg, then you are going to add warm water. Warm water is very important so that the yeast can rise. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that the yeast can rise. So you just have to mix very well. Once you have this consistency and it's this fine looking, I know you guys get what I'm trying to say, then your puff puff is ready to be covered. So I'll be using a plate that I have and I put it inside the oven for 1 hour just for it to rise. So while we are waiting for it to rise, I just pour my oil inside my fry pan. And please guys, make sure your oil is very much enough that so that your puff puff can come out circle. I made a mistake there. As you can see, it is double the size already. So you are just going to mix it together because of the bubbles. You mix it slowly, don't mix it too much. You don't need to mix it too much, just mix it slowly. Once your oil is already hot, just start putting the mixture into the hot oil. So this is me just showing you. Like I said, I made a mistake here. The oil was not enough. That's why the circle, the round shape, was not coming out well. If you try this mixture, you will thank me later. If you've watched this point and you've not subscribed, you've not clicked the subscribe button, you've not liked and you've not commented, please do so. Support your girl. Once it is golden brown like this, then it is time to remove your puff puff from the oil. So I'm just going to remove the puff puff from the oil. It is time to enjoy your puff puff with any drink of your choice. You can use tea and you can use zobo, whatever drink you like. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Kisses.